All right, today in Ask the Navigator, both the Dow and the S&P fall as the treasury plans that we went over yesterday fail and rates continue to rise. For those that are new, Ask the Navigator is a short mini-series that we're doing each and every day, grabbing top headlines or comments and hopping over and asking the Navigator. The Navigator is our market intelligence AI stack interfaced through Claude. So without further ado, we'll drop the headline in here and we're going to have a little bit of fun today. So we're pulling up the Dow indice, futures, and the ES. All right, the Navigator got back to us. First ticker is going to be that YM, so those Dow Jones futures, and highlight's going to be Treasury tried to talk yields down. The tape just called its bluff. Source is going to be the headline, and then key figures here that we're going to watch. Currently, price is 52,866. If we can reclaim 53.34, then the bull scenario is back in play up to 57,803. Pivot here is going to be 48.64. Under there, the market starts to deteriorate quickly into the failure zone at 47,440, and then that lower extreme down at 44,398. So summary is going to be a 700-point gut punch on a failed yield relief plan, but this dip is landing nowhere near the real structure. Price is still comfortably above its line, clear 53,334, and 57,803 is next up top. The cushion's wide, over 4,800 of room, but lose 48.64, and this rolls hard towards that lower extreme, 44,398. On ES, same sort of setup here. Highlight is going to be similar, but reclaim here, so price is going to be 7,667. Reclaim is 773,435 is what the bulls want to see, and then that target's going to be that 8,485.84. Pivot here is 6,835.13. So that is the line in the sand here on the downside. Otherwise, failure becomes in play, 6,730.11, and then lower extreme down at 6,231.37. Summary here: Treasury yield a fix, didn't hold, and the S&P paid for it today. But the pullback stops well short of the real line in the sand. Clear 7,734 and 8,486 is next target. There's over $800 of cushion below current price, but lose 6,835, and this cascades down towards 6,231. So bull case, really want to see that 7,734. Bear case, should not see under 6,835 because it tees up the failure zone. That's Ask the Navigator, both indices for the day. We'll see you tomorrow.